Hey guys, it's Devline14 and today I want to show you how you can set up a Minecraft server and run it without Hamachi. Yeah, because I think I think it's very simple, but not really many people know that. And yeah, if you don't like Hamachi, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if you want to run a server without Hamachi. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this. So at first, you have to download the Minecraft.jar file from Minecraft.net. And yeah, sorry, I've got my hay fever, so maybe I have to. Yeah. Okay. So there you got your Minecraft server.jar file. So yeah, make a new folder, call it whatever you like. I make MC no NH, so no one knows what these letters have to say, but I know it. So yeah, now you can run your server so that it will download all the data. So while he's downloading, we could go make a new tab, and now you have to go to the to your local router website. So you can stop the server. What is the local router website? There you have to go to your system preferences. Sometimes this happens, but not really important for now. So you have to go to the network section, and there you see your computer local IP, and you copy it, CMD, and then you type it, and I know that my router's address is just 0.1 at the end. So okay, I'm back, and I got where you can see your IP of your router, which you need. So you have to go to the system preferences, network, and then you go to more options. I don't know what it's called in English, and then you go to TCP /IP. Yeah, there you got your local IP, this here, and the router IP is this one. So copying this and pasting it right there, and then you hit enter, and then you're on the web page of your router. I got the D-Link router, so the usual username is admin and no password. At Netgear, I know it's usually the standard password is password, and the standard username at Netgear routers is username, all in small letters. But I got a D-Link, so I just have to type in admin. And yeah, if you have any other company, any other routers from any other company, yeah, then you have to search for the username and password, the standard password, if you didn't change it. But usually you should get the password and the username from your provider as you get your router. Or yeah, maybe you bought a new router, then the standard password should be in the box, or maybe it's printed on the router. Sometimes you have to look up if you don't know. So if you have any questions, write it in the comments. I could look up for any company passwords, usernames if you want. So yeah, here you go. You have to sign in, then you're logged in, and then you have to search for ports or ports forwarding, something like that. So I know that it's right here, and then you see there it's port forwarding in English. And yeah, then you have I named it. Yeah, I have to name it. I named it Minecraft. Just the ports are from 25,565. Yeah, 65. So from 25565 to 25565, and here the same. And here you have to type your local IP from your computer. This one here. Yeah, and then you might have to tick this. I don't know how is on your router. So yeah, the interface is sometimes a little bit different. So yeah. So there you go to saving. Yeah, I didn't change anything, so he has no to save it. So yeah, then you log out. Here done. So then you close this window. Yeah. So the next thing you have to do is you have to run your server again. You don't have to change anything in the server properties. You don't have to fill in the IP right there. You don't have to do that. Just if you want to change anything like game mode, going to make this, yeah, stuff like that. So if you want to change this, then you're able to do this. Creative or not? I don't care. So start your server. Yeah, because he crashed the last time. But anyways, if it is up, so the server is up, and then you go to Minecraft, logging in. Yeah, I have to delete this. Yeah. So so you go add new server. I'm not calling it Hamachi, and yeah. So you're in your the server is in your network, so you have to type in your local IP. So it's this local IP which we wrote in the ports. You know, this one here. This is your local computer IP, which you have to copy into here. Wait. So yeah, done, and you can join the server. So, but we aren't done. Yeah, pigs. Shut up. So we aren't done because your friends want to join. And of course they can join with the local IP because they are in a maybe a little bit away from your. They aren't in your network, and so what to do? You go to. I'm going to make this blank so don't think. Yeah. What's my IP? Well, what's my IP address? It doesn't matter. So here is your IP, and you have to copy it, send it to your friends, and your friends have to paste this right here. So they have to do it like this. But it doesn't work because we're in the network where the server is. So we have to type the local IP of our computer. Oh, sorry. So you have to send your friends your IP, but be secure with your IP. You don't know. Yeah, it's not so safe if you send any unknown people your IP. But I think you know this. So yeah. I think we're done. Just one little thing. I had sometimes this. If any other device in your network, for example, you switched on Wi-Fi on your iPod on your smartphone anyways, and the other device has stolen your local IP, has got your local IP, and now you have another local IP. For example, you had here local IP at the end 103. I have now 103, and for example, you another device joined your network and your IP on your computer has changed, so you got 102, for example. Then you have to change everywhere the IP address. So here you have to change it. Then you have to change it on your ports. Sorry. It's a little bit annoying, but not too often. Your local IP does change. God. Yeah, sorry. My nose. You have to change it right here onto 2, and then you have to save it, and there you go. But right now I'm running on 103, so it doesn't really make sense if I'm going to change this. So yeah, you have to change it every time in the IP you have on your computer. So if you're starting the server and the server and Minecraft can't reach the server, don't worry. It's just maybe because your computer has got a new IP, and then you have so if this can't reach server, then you have to check your local IP and see, not 3, not 2. Then you go and change it on your router, blah blah blah, you know, and there you go, joining. And maybe your not your local, your public IP, I don't know how to call it. Yeah, your public IP changes. So this IP, and your friends can't reach the server. Sorry, making a little bit of pigs. And your friends can't reach the server. Then you have to check what's your IP and send your friends again. So yeah, I think I helped you guys. I think I'm gonna make a little quick review at the end of the video. So a few steps, just explaining with words. So I hope I helped you, and yeah, have fun with Minecraft without Hamachi. See ya.